Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Shifts. My name is Jason, and today we're going to talk a little bit about our 2023 4xe Rubicon. And if you guys have a 2023 or older Jeep, one of the things that you guys have probably noticed as technology has advanced and as things such as the Wagoneer come out that have wireless CarPlay, that's something that probably didn't used to bother you, but once you've got a vehicle that does have it, you start noticing your vehicle that doesn't. And a company reached out to me and supplied me their new Air 2 Carlinkit 5.0, and we're going to go ahead and unbox this, install it, and see how this works, and see if it's a viable solution for those of us who still have wired CarPlay in their vehicle to now become wireless. So let's go check this out. All right, so we got this kit from Carlink, and we're going to go ahead and open this up and take a look at what comes in this kit. It's a really nice box. So slide it open, toss the cover over there, and see what's in this box. So you get the unit, and this is a small little piece, and it's got venting along the sides to keep it from overheating, but it's a nice little piece that won't be in the way, that we can tuck out of the way when we use this unit. And it's got a USB-C port here on the top, and a USB on the bottom that, as I understand it, this is for doing some hard link updates with your computer, where this will allow you to do wireless upgrades and downloads over the air to upgrade this unit as new upgrades come out for it to advance the technology in it, like a Tesla or any of these other modern vehicles and modern units that update over the internet over wireless. All right, so additionally in the box, if we pull this cap out, we get two sets of cords, a USB-C to USB-C and a USB-C to standard USB to be able to plug into your vehicle. Not every vehicle has a C port, and some still have a USB port, so they've got that covered for you so you can switch back and forth. And this isn't only for a Jeep 4xe. This can be used in any vehicle that has Apple CarPlay or Android car units and such, but in my case, I only have Apple products, so I'm going to be focused on the Apple CarPlay. It also comes with the instruction book that covers multiple different languages and tells you how to install this, but it's basically a plug and play. So we'll go ahead and plug this in and see how it plays. Additionally, they gave us a strip of tape so you could secure the unit wherever you want inside your vehicle by adhering this tape, but I think I'll probably use maybe a Velcro tape on there so I can take it on and off if I choose to take it in and out of different vehicles. So let's go ahead and take this over to the Jeep 4xe and plug it in and see how it goes. All right guys, so I'm going to take you right along with me for installing this the first time, and we're going to see how this goes by plugging it in. I know I can plug it in here, and also Jeep Wranglers have a plug down here in the armrest, and I think where I really want to install it is there in the armrest, and then put it up, Velcro up against the side of the inside there. So let's go ahead and unwrap this wire, turn on the Jeep, and see how it works. This works. So I've gone ahead and unraveled this cord. This is the USB-C to C. And I'm going to use the media plug on the front here for this demonstration. And I've got my cell phone here. And we've got the Carlink 2.0 or 5.0, the Air 2. And we're going to go ahead and plug this in. First, we're going to power on the Jeep and let it go through its cycle here. And it comes up, and I've got the volume down here so I don't get demonetized. And we're going to go ahead and plug this sucker in and see if it recognizes our CarPlay on here. So first we plug it into the Jeep, and then I'll plug it into this unit. I don't know, I think this will change different colors as we connect the unit to it and it establishes that connection. So now that we have this plugged in and powered on, I'm going to set it down for now, and I'm going to take my iPhone and I'm going to go into the settings on my iPhone. Click into the settings. I'm going to pull up the Bluetooth, and I'm going to find this device. Actually, you know what? It's not under. Oh, there it is. Here it is. AutoKit E2F in my case. I'm going to select that. It's connecting, and now on the screen here, I'm getting some instructions. Please use your phone to connect to Bluetooth. And it says it's connecting to my phone, and I have a display up here. See if I can show you guys this. And it says it's connecting. And now on my phone, it's asking me to essentially complete the connection. So I'm going to click Use CarPlay on this option. And we'll see if the screen starts changing. And voila, right into my Apple CarPlay. So now it's that simple. We're connected. It went right to my Waze, which I was last using, and I have all my features of CarPlay. If you guys can see this, if you're familiar with Apple CarPlay on the Jeep, then you're familiar with how this works. You have all your apps and such in here. I won't get into how to use all those apps, but today we're focused on the CarLink unit. But this has worked successfully. Oh, and look, the light, it's kind of hard to tell, but it's turned green, indicating that it's had a successful connection. All right, so now you guys can see that the CarPlay is connected, and I'm going to go ahead and cycle off the car and come back in, and we'll take a look at it here and see how it connects when you're not prompting it or connecting it the first time, by just entering into the car and see if that still works well. All right, so let's go ahead and power off the Jeep, and we'll do a full get out of the car. So you guys can see, there it's locked. And we'll get back in the car. So you guys can see, fully starting. The phone's in here, but it is not connected because the car is powered off. Sorry, I'm not used to filming with the tablet. I apologize for my thumb getting in the way here. All right, so I have the camera turned around. My phone is in here. It is on the wireless charger that I purchased, so that's why you have a wire in there. Just to show you guys, that's for the charging unit, not for my phone. Not plugged into my phone at all. That's the bullet point that I just put a video out on. The Jeep is off. I did move the unit from here into the armrest, so now it's plugged in there through the USB port. And we're going to go ahead, fire up the Jeep. So we can see the Jeep is cycling on. The head unit is looking for the phone, and it found the wireless. It's connecting just like it did before. As we can see on the screen, it says it's connecting. And boom, right into wireless. Hands-free, didn't have to do anything special. Again, so you guys can see, here's my phone. That wire is just for the bullet point mounting solution for the charger, for wireless charging, which this thing's been awesome. And you can see it's charging, and we're still connected in here, and we can get into our messages, we can get into Waze, and use that navigation through Waze like everybody likes to use, and we're all set, ready to go. So let's do some more testing, and we'll be right back. Hey everyone, welcome back. Through the magic of YouTube, it's been a few weeks, the leaves have all fallen off the trees, and we're back here again with the Jeep to wrap up the review of the Carlinkit 5.0 or the 2Air, to let you guys know how we feel about this unit. Let's go ahead and jump back in the Jeep here. And as you guys can see, I'll look at the armrest here. I've gone ahead and mounted the unit in here. And I've got to say, over the 3 weeks that we've had this, it's been flawless. We've had no problems with it. On occasion, because the Jeep, as you can see, it's blinking right now, and I don't have the power on the Jeep, the USB ports are always powered on for the 1 and 2 ports. So I thought that might be a problem, but when the CarLink unit isn't censoring your phone, it does shut off after a certain amount of time. So it hasn't drained the battery, it hasn't been an issue whatsoever. But other than that, on occasion when you start up, you do have to click OK once in a while to sync it up when you've been driving recently. But as far as functionality, I've been putting it through the paces. I've been running Waze and music streaming, and it has not overheated and shut down or anything like that. Now, I did mention earlier that put a little Velcro on the back of the unit like that, and you can Velcro it in the place where you want it to keep it out of the way of all your other stuff down there in the glove box. Now, I recommend getting these little Velcro dots like this. They're only a couple bucks, $3 off Amazon, and that can make it work for you. So again, this is the 2Air wireless USB adapter. Does CarPlay, Android Auto, and it works great on your Jeep. And the 4xe it has been fantastic. So if you guys are looking for a way to go wireless for your connection to your vehicle, rather than buying a brand new super expensive vehicle that has wireless, this is your solution. This has been great. It's performing wonderfully. I highly recommend it. If you guys are interested, there'll be a link down in my description for the video. And I'll also have a code in there, QS18, that when you enter that at the checkout, will get you 18% off your order. Go ahead and check that out. Every purchase you make helps me, helps the channel, and puts a little bit of money back in our pockets so we can do more videos like this for you. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll catch you guys next time.